This is the cutest thing ever. You got the shakes. I get the hippie shakes when I try to stand up too long. But he saw me when I got down here. Oh, look. Sprout. Hey, baby. Hey. They got little black spots on their noses. Hello there, little cutie. And I think it's Cherry Blossom that has a purr almost louder than her mom. Oh. Hello. This is a lazy one. This is the lazy one. This is the lazy one. Hi. Hey, Sprout. Sprout. Oh, Mom says, pet me. Hello, little baby. But you the whiny butt, too. You got a little whiny butt. See? I pick you up and you go, yeah. Oh, yes. And that's Sprout. Oh, Mom. She lays right on him really hard. Oh, that's Cherry Blossom right there. You know, Cherry Blossom. Yes. Hey, little babies. Oh, cat butt. Cat butt. Hi, Sprout. Hello. Hello, little Sprout. See, this is not a pure white kitten. Definitely not. Definitely not a girl either. I know I'm so rude. Look at this. Look at this. Hi, Cherry Blossom. Cherry Blossom doesn't whine as much as the others. Oh, are we gonna go our own way? They have to know that that's not Mom, because it doesn't smell like Mom. But they like to get their face down in there. Yeah. No, you come do that on Mom. Oh, did you see your brother over there? And you both want to go for a walk. Okay, you can go that far. And I've slept in this for 2 nights, and we'll leave it down here so they get even more used to my scent. Oh. Hey, mister. What's up? Hey, mister, what's up? Hello. Hello. Mr. Rain. Yes, Mr. Rain. They can see and hear now. Maybe not really great, but enough to notice that brother was having a snack. Your other brother's over here trying to have a snack on the blanket. Want to make sure we don't wean them too soon. Oh. And I can see that white rain here is going to have blue eyes, but pretty much just looks red. What are you doing? Oh, he's giving himself a bath. He's giving himself a bath. That's Sprout. What is today, the 17th? He's 17 days old. giving himself a bath. I told you, do you hear that motorboat? That is Cherry Blossom. No singing at the table. Hi, Mom. Hello. I give her a slow blink every now and then. Oh, who have we got here? And that's white rain, see? You're going to have a white blaze up your face. Hi, sweetie. You sure are cute. Okay, I could do this all night, but